All right, today we're working on another Ducati lost key replacement. Basically, this one is a 2009 Ducati 696. Let me see where it came out of. This one came out of, it looked like the Chicago, no, Indiana area. So that's it. Basically, what we're going to do is I'm going to figure out what the cuts are to the ignition, make the key from scratch. Then I'm going to take the keys and I'm going to put chips in them. I'm going to take those chips and program them into the dashboard so the anti-theft system will recognize the keys and start the bike. Basically how this works, you stick the key in here, this antenna right here reads the chip, sends the data down, ECU, and tells the bike to start up if it's the correct key. So I'll come back in a little bit with this programmed and the keys cut and everything. So that's about it. I'll come back in a little bit. All right, we're back. Keys are now cut from scratch. Here's the two keys. I program them as keys 1 and key 2. So this is what you want to see. Park. On. On. Steering bolt lock comes out. I don't know if you can see it in the video. There you go, right there. Now, if you have people making you a key and the steering bolt lock doesn't come out and they just get it to go on and off, that ain't the correct key, or ain't the perfect key. It should work in all positions. These keys do have chips, so let me get this machine to do it. This is an older machine, but it'll work. Key 1's in there, so that confirms the chips. I'm looking at the values in the chips. 2. So that's about it. Both these keys are programmed. Customer get this back. It's just going to be a matter of plug and play. That's about it. If you need me to help you with a lost key replacement, you need me to help you with a spare key, give me a call. I have the ability to read the data from your key and make another key from it if you're just looking for a spare key. And of course, if you lost all your keys and you have nothing, I have that ability as well. Now, those of you that's having a hard time finding people, couple reasons. The guys in your area may not have the equipment or have the training, or just frankly, they probably don't see a lot of these bikes in their area, which doesn't justify them buying the equipment. So that could be those reasons right there. Not everybody's trained, know how to deal with Aprilia, Ducati, Can-Am, whatever the bike it is. Not everybody's trained in it because some people obviously don't see a lot of it, so they don't go for the training. I happen to be trained in a lot of different systems. Whether it's, bikes, I look at it, they all, Aprilia and all that, that's all Zadi stuff to me. But that's about it. You need my help, give me a call. Go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. I have been doing this since the early 90s. I do have something called the CAL, Certified Automotive Locksmith Certification, through our National Locksmith Association. So I've been doing this for quite a while, and that's about it. Like I said, give me a call. I'll tell you what I'm going to need, how much it's going to cost, ETA on when it's going to get back to you, and I'll try my best to get you back up and running. And that's about it. Go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you. Appreciate you.